Healing Herbs for Beginners, A Guide to Natural Remedies and the Power of Herbal Medicine, written by Jennifer Pierre, narrated by Keandra Gold. Terms and Conditions. Legal Notice. The publisher has strived to be as accurate and complete as possible in the creation of this report, notwithstanding the fact that she or he does not warrant or represent at any time that the contents within are accurate due to the rapidly changing nature of the Internet. While all attempts have been made to verify information provided in this publication, the publisher assumes no responsibility for errors, omissions, or contrary interpretation of the subject matter herein. Any perceived slights of specific persons, peoples, or organizations are unintentional. In practical advice books, like anything else in life, there are no guarantees of income made. Readers are cautioned to rely on their own judgment about their individual circumstances to act accordingly. This book is not intended for use as a source of legal, business, health, accounting, or financial advice. All readers are advised to seek services of competent professionals in legal, business, health guide, accounting, and finance fields. Forward. Treating disease is not as complicated as it may seem. Common sense techniques can be used to overcome any illness. By focusing on proper hygiene and nutrition, all microbes and viruses can be easily defeated. If you understand how to heal yourself and are willing to take the necessary steps, disease becomes insignificant. Instead of relying on a healthcare system that focuses on illnesses rather than wellness, choose complementary therapies to achieve vibrant health and longevity. Remember, the truth will set you free, and you have the power to take control of your own health. Healing Herbs for Beginners, A Guide to Natural Remedies and the Power of Herbal Medicine. Chapter 1. Foundations of Herbal Healing. Synopsis. As diseases, illnesses, and ailments continue to rise, relying solely on medical science may not always be sufficient. In addition to being expensive, some treatments can be lengthy and stressful, exacerbating already difficult circumstances. Herbal healing has long been a common form of treatment in non-industrialized countries where traditional practices prioritize the use of natural remedies. To get you started. In the last decade, herbal healing has gained widespread popularity. Although it has been the primary method of healing in many ancient cultures, it has only recently become a sought-after healing approach in the modern world. Herbal healing products are now widely available in drugstores, supermarkets, pharmacies, and other traditional outlets, no longer limited to preparations made solely by older generations. With thousands of herbs and combinations available to treat various ailments, it only takes a little research to find the ones that are suitable. While herbal remedies are generally considered safe due to their natural composition, it is still advisable to seek the guidance of an experienced practitioner who can effectively use herbs to heal, treat, or manage a specific condition. Since many herbal concoctions are highly concentrated, some natural ingredients may have adverse effects on individuals. The vast possibilities of herbal healing compounds and ingredients serve as the foundation for pharmaceutical advances. Considerable financial resources and time are invested in researching and promoting the latest and most effective herbal cures for the many medical conditions prevalent in today's world. This is primarily due to the minimal or non-existent side effects of herbal remedies and their natural composition, in contrast to chemically based medications that are manufactured. Chapter 2. Herbal Remedies for Treating Wounds. Synopsis. Nature provides us with a wide variety of herbs that serve different purposes. It's not uncommon to use everyday household ingredients to treat wounds. If you prefer natural remedies, you can make a list of common herbs and keep them readily available for quick and easy use. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat various ailments, including wounds. These remedies are usually made from natural plant extracts that are known for their healing properties. They can be used to soothe pain, reduce inflammation, and promote the growth of new skin cells. One of the most commonly used herbs for treating wounds is aloe vera. Aloe vera has been used for centuries to treat skin injuries, burns, and other wounds. The gel inside the leaves of the aloe vera plant is rich in vitamins and minerals that can help reduce inflammation, speed up the healing process, and soothe pain. Applying aloe vera gel directly to the wound can help to promote faster healing and prevent scarring. Calendula is another popular herb used for treating wounds. The flowers of the calendula plant are rich in flavonoids and other natural compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Calendula oil or ointment can be applied directly to the wound to help soothe pain and speed up the healing process. Comfrey is another herb that is commonly used for treating wounds. Comfrey contains allantoin, a natural compound that can help to promote the growth of new skin cells and reduce inflammation. Comfrey ointment or oil can be applied to the wound to help speed up the healing process and reduce pain. Tea tree oil is another natural remedy that is commonly used for treating wounds. Tea tree oil has natural antiseptic properties that can help prevent infection and promote healing. It can be applied directly to the wound or diluted with a carrier oil such as coconut oil before application. Other herbs that can be used to treat wounds include chamomile, lavender, and plantain. Chamomile has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe pain and reduce swelling. Lavender is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help to reduce pain and promote healing. Plantain leaves contain natural compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and promote the growth of new skin cells. In conclusion, herbal remedies can be a safe and effective way to treat wounds. However, it's important to note that not all herbs are suitable for treating all types of wounds. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before using herbal remedies to treat wounds, especially if the wound is severe or infected. Wounds. Having knowledge about herbs that can treat wounds is incredibly useful for parents with children. Children often get hurt while playing, so having quick and easy remedies at hand can eliminate the need for frequent trips to a medical facility. One herb that can effectively reduce inflammation, swelling, and redness of wounds is aloe vera. After cleaning the wound, the gel secreted by the aloe vera plant can be directly applied to superficial wounds to aid in the healing process. Calendula officinalis is another herb that can promote the healing of wounds. Its flavonoids and antioxidants increase blood flow to the wound, accelerating the healing process. Calendula can be applied topically or found as an ingredient in creams and ointments. Slippery elm, a tree native to North America, can also be used to treat wounds. It's available in powder form, but should be applied around the wound and not directly into an open wound. Lavender is another commonly used herb to treat wounds. Its anti-inflammatory properties aid in the healing process, and it also acts as a natural antiseptic. Lavender oil can be applied directly to the wound or used in a compress. While herbs can be effective in treating wounds, it's important to note that severe or infected wounds should be evaluated by a medical professional. Nevertheless, having some basic knowledge of these herbs can provide a convenient and natural way to care for minor wounds at home. Tea tree oil is not only a healing agent, but also a powerful germ-killing agent. It can quickly disinfect wounds while promoting healing. Other herbs such as echinacea, marigold, and myrrh are also effective in healing wounds. These herbs can be applied to wounds by diluting herbal tincture with water. Chapter 3. Herbal Remedies for Treating Acne. Synopsis. Acne is a skin condition that results from excess production of sebum, a natural oil that helps keep the skin hydrated. When sebum production is too high, it can clog pores and form hard plugs that contribute to the development of acne. Hormonal imbalances, pregnancy, menstrual periods, emotional stress, and other factors can also play a role in the onset of acne. Acne is a common skin condition that affects many people, especially during puberty. While there are various treatments available, some people prefer using herbal remedies to help alleviate the symptoms of acne. In this article, we will discuss some of the herbs that are commonly used for treating acne. Tea tree oil. This essential oil is known for its antibacterial properties and can help kill the bacteria that cause acne. Simply apply a few drops of tea tree oil to a cotton swab and dab it onto the affected area. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce redness and swelling associated with acne. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to the affected area and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. Calendula. Calendula is a popular herb used for treating skin conditions, including acne. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help soothe irritated skin and prevent further breakouts. Apply calendula cream or oil to the affected area for best results. Chamomile. Chamomile has soothing and calming properties that can help reduce inflammation and redness caused by acne. You can make chamomile tea and use it as a face wash, or apply chamomile oil to the affected area. Lavender. Lavender oil has antibacterial properties that can help kill the bacteria that cause acne. It also has a soothing effect on the skin and can help reduce redness and swelling. Mix a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. In conclusion, herbal remedies can be an effective and natural way to treat acne. However, it's important to remember that everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have severe or persistent acne, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist. For effective treatment of acne, it's important to address both internal and external factors. These two aspects are closely linked, and focusing on one may not lead to the desired outcome. In fact, if one aspect is neglected, the condition may worsen due to added stress and depression. A combination of herbal remedies is often effective in treating acne both internally and externally. This combination is essential for achieving long-lasting results. For topical application, herbs like tea tree oil, lavender, and calendula are recommended. For internal use, milk thistle and dandelion can be effective herbs to include in the treatment plan. Chapter 4. Natural Remedies for Anxiety and Depression. Synopsis. Treating anxiety and depression using herbs is a good alternative to using the conventional method of prescription drugs. The side effects from resorting to using prescription drugs can be long-term, harmful, and sometimes not adequately addressing the anxiety and depression issues. Anxiety and depression are common mental health conditions that can have a significant impact on one's quality of life. While conventional treatments such as therapy and medication can be effective, some people prefer to use natural remedies to manage their symptoms. In this article, we will discuss some herbs that are commonly used to treat anxiety and depression. St. John's wort. This herb has been used for centuries to treat depression and anxiety. It contains hypericin, a compound that is believed to increase the levels of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which can help regulate mood. St. John's wort can be taken as a supplement or brewed as a tea. Lavender. Lavender is a popular herb known for its calming and relaxing properties. It can help reduce feelings of anxiety and promote better sleep. You can use lavender essential oil in a diffuser or apply it topically to your temples or wrists. Chamomile. Chamomile is another herb that can help ease anxiety and promote relaxation. It contains compounds that bind to receptors in the brain and have a sedative effect. Chamomile tea is a popular and effective way to use this herb. Ashwagandha. This herb has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to treat anxiety and stress. It works by reducing cortisol levels, a hormone that is often elevated in people with anxiety. Ashwagandha can be taken as a supplement or brewed as a tea. Passion flower. Passion flower is a natural sedative that can help reduce feelings of anxiety and promote better sleep. It works by increasing levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, a neurotransmitter that has a calming effect on the brain. Passion flower can be taken as a supplement or brewed as a tea. In conclusion, herbs can be effective natural remedies for managing anxiety and depression. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbs, especially if you are taking medications or have pre-existing medical conditions. Using herbs for natural calming. Herbal remedies can provide a natural way to address anxiety and depression by dealing with social anxiety disorder and chemical imbalances that can cause depression. However, some herbs are more effective than others in treating these conditions. It's important to note that for these herbs to be successful, the individual's diet must be balanced and healthy. Combining these elements can lead to a calmer and more relaxed mental state. Magnolia bark is a potent herb that can help alleviate insomnia, which is often an underlying cause of anxiety and depression. Philodendron bark is another herb used in Chinese medicine to relieve anxiety and stress by regulating cortisol, the stress hormone. In conclusion, using herbs for natural calming can be effective for managing anxiety and depression. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbs, especially if you are taking medications or have pre-existing medical conditions. Additionally, a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, exercise, and stress management techniques can also contribute to a more relaxed state of mind. Herbs for treating depression and anxiety. St. John's wort can be effective in treating depression and anxiety, but caution should be exercised when using it, as it should only be taken in small doses. Valerian. Valerian is considered to be one of the most powerful herbs for addressing depression and anxiety. It works by positively influencing certain chemical elements in the body. Lemon balm is known as the calming herb and is often used for its sedative properties. While hops powder was traditionally used for insomnia, it's now recommended for its potential to help treat depression. However, it's important to note that it has not been conclusively proven to be the only contributing factor in successfully treating depression. In summary, these herbs may be helpful in treating depression and anxiety, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using them, especially if you are taking medications or have pre-existing medical conditions. Additionally, a holistic approach that includes therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes may be necessary for long-term management of depression and anxiety. Chapter 5. Herbal Support for Cancer Treatment. Synopsis. Herbal remedies can be a valuable source of support for cancer patients undergoing treatment. While they should not be used as a replacement for conventional medical treatment, they can help manage symptoms and side effects. Ginger is a popular herb known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate nausea and vomiting caused by chemotherapy. Turmeric is another anti-inflammatory herb that may also have anti-cancer properties. Milk thistle is often used to support liver function, which can be especially important for cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. It may also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which may have anti-cancer properties. It can also help alleviate fatigue and improve cognitive function in cancer patients. It's important to note that while herbal remedies can provide support, they should be used with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Some herbs may interact with medications or have side effects of their own. Additionally, a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, exercise, and stress management can also contribute to overall wellness during cancer treatment. The challenge of accessible cancer treatment. Cancer is a widespread and often frightening disease, and the search for a cure that is accessible to all is a pressing concern. Many of the current medical options can be prohibitively expensive or emotionally taxing. As a result, some individuals may choose to forego treatment altogether, while others endure the physical and emotional toll of cancer treatment in the hopes of reclaiming their previous quality of life. Finding more accessible and affordable treatment options remains a significant challenge. Considering herbal remedies as complementary treatment. Herbal remedies provide an alternative approach to managing health conditions, including cancer. While options vary, some suggest that these remedies can be used in conjunction with traditional treatments, while others may not recommend this approach. Herbal remedies for specific cancer conditions. While considering the use of herbal remedies as a complementary approach to cancer treatment, it's important to take into account the stage and type of cancer. Different herbs may work differently to address the various conditions caused by cancer. Below are some examples of herbs that have been tried and tested to treat specific cancer types. Breast cancer, broccoli and green tea. Colon cancer, broccoli. Esophageal cancer, green tea. General cancer, aloe vera and periwinkle. Liver cancer, green tea. Lung cancer, aloe vera and broccoli. Pancreatic cancer, green tea. Preventative cancer, broccoli, carrot, tarragon, and tomato. Prostate cancer, aloe vera, fennel, and green tea. Rectal cancer, broccoli. Skin cancer, green tea. Stomach cancer, aloe vera, broccoli, garlic, and green tea. Testicular cancer, periwinkle. Cancer treatment, aloe vera, echinacea, lantana, and violet. Cancer sores, golden seal, lavender. In addition, some herbs can help keep the body in better shape to equip it with the necessary defenses against cancer. To fight off cancer cells or halt their progression, certain herbs can help to keep the body in better shape. Astragalus, dong quai, echinacea, shiitake, and maitake mushrooms all possess these properties to aid in the fight against cancer. However, Relying solely on these herbs is not recommended. Mistletoe is another popular herb used to arrest cancer cells from their destructive nature. Mistletoe preparations are commonly used to stimulate the immune system and effectively kill cancer cells. In some extreme cases, it has been observed to shrink cancerous tumors. The efficacy of mistletoe as a cancer treatment is still being researched and debated, so it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using it. Chapter 6. Detoxifying Your Body with Herbs. Synopsis. Many people are turning to herbal remedies for body detoxification. These remedies can help to remove toxins from the body, leaving you feeling healthier and rejuvenated. There are many different herbs that can be used for this purpose. One of the most popular is dandelion, which is known for its detoxifying properties. Dandelion root tea can be consumed daily to help cleanse the liver and promote healthy digestion. Another herb that is commonly used for body detoxification is milk thistle. Milk thistle is believed to help protect the liver from toxins and improve liver function. This herb can be taken in supplement form or brewed as a tea. Ginger is another herb that is known for its detoxifying properties. It can help to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy sweating. Ginger tea can be consumed regularly to help flush out toxins from the body. Nettle is another herb that can be used for body detoxification. This herb is known for its diuretic properties, which can help to flush out toxins through the urinary system. Nettle tea can be consumed regularly to help cleanse the body of harmful substances. Other herbs that are commonly used for body detoxification include burdock root, turmeric, and parsley. It is important to note that while these herbs can be effective in supporting the body's natural detoxification process, they should not be relied upon as the sole method for detoxification. A healthy diet and lifestyle are also important for optimal body function and toxin removal. Over time, bad eating habits and unhealthy lifestyle practices can result in the accumulation of harmful toxins in the body. These toxins have the potential to cause damage and lead to various illnesses and diseases. Therefore, it is crucial to address this issue promptly, and using herbs for body detox is a wise decision. Herbs are natural and do not contribute to any existing negative conditions. Clean up the body. It is advisable to begin a detox session with milder herbs, as some herbs may have a harsh impact on the body while others are smoother. It helps to alleviate bloating and gas. Fennel seed is also known to have anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great choice for those suffering from digestive issues such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Dandelion root is a well-known herb used for its detoxifying properties. It helps to stimulate the liver and improve its function, which in turn helps to eliminate toxins from the body. It also acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production and aiding in the removal of excess fluids from the body. Milk thistle is another herb that is excellent for liver health. It contains a powerful antioxidant called silymarin, which helps to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Milk thistle is also known to aid in liver cell regeneration and has been used in traditional medicine to treat liver disorders. In conclusion, incorporating these herbs into a detox program can be a safe and effective way to eliminate toxins from the body. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any detox program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. Additionally, it is important to maintain a healthy lifestyle and dietary habits to prevent the buildup of toxins in the body in the first place. This can alleviate discomfort from gas and cramping in the digestive system. Those who have a diet rich in meat and processed foods may benefit from detox sessions, although it's important not to overdo it. Chapter 7. Herbs to alleviate headaches and tension. Synopsis. Experiencing headaches and tension is a common occurrence in many people's lives, to the point where it may not be given enough attention as a specific concern. Instead, individuals often resort to the quick fix of taking pills, but this is not a sustainable or advisable approach. Considering the herbal remedy alternative may be the key to resolving the condition in the long term. Headaches and tension can be debilitating, affecting our ability to work and enjoy our lives. Many people rely on over-the-counter painkillers to alleviate the symptoms, but these have side effects and are not a sustainable solution. Fortunately, there are several herbs that can help alleviate headaches and tension in a natural way. Feverfew. Feverfew is a popular herb used for the treatment of headaches and migraines. It works by reducing inflammation and preventing the release of certain chemicals that can cause headaches. This herb is available in the form of supplements, teas, and extracts. Peppermint. Peppermint is another herb commonly used to alleviate headaches and tension. It contains menthol, which has a cooling effect on the muscles and can reduce tension in the head and neck. Peppermint can be consumed as tea or applied topically in the form of essential oils or balms. Lavender. Lavender is known for its calming properties and is often used to reduce stress and anxiety, which can be a cause of tension headaches. Lavender can be consumed as a tea or applied topically in the form of essential oils or balms. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and has been shown to reduce the severity and duration of headaches. It also helps to improve circulation and reduce nausea, which can be associated with migraines. Ginger can be consumed as tea, in supplements, or in the form of fresh ginger root. Willow bark. Willow bark is a natural pain reliever that has been used for centuries to alleviate headaches and other pains. It contains salicin, which is similar to the active ingredient in aspirin. Willow bark can be consumed as tea or in the form of supplements. It's important to note that while herbs can be effective in alleviating headaches and tension, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any herbal remedies, especially if you're taking other medications or have any underlying health conditions. Various herbs can be utilized to alleviate the bothersome symptoms of headaches and tension. Some herbs are applied topically, while others are ingested internally. Topical herbal ointments and creams are effective and generally do not cause any negative side effects. However, some of the ingredients in these formulations may have a strong aroma, which can be part of the therapeutic experience of treating these conditions. Tiger balm, peppermint oil, and nutmeg oil are a few examples of herbal remedies that can alleviate headaches and tension. Here are some additional herbs that can be used to address these conditions. Feverfew, known for its ability to prevent and stop headaches. Ginkgo biloba, improves circulation and reduces inflammation. Chamomile, has a relaxing effect on the body. Peppermint provides a refreshing sensation. Valerian, a powerful sedative that can help alleviate tension. Lemon balm and passion flower can help prevent an impending attack. Rosemary has a calming effect. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet can also assist in promoting overall wellness and reducing the frequency of headaches and tension. When a possible attack sets in, the use of herbal remedies can be particularly effective. In some cases, topical applications may be sufficient in quickly and effectively addressing the condition, making them a preferable option over consuming the herbs. Chapter 8. Herbal Remedies for Lung Conditions. Synopsis. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to alleviate lung conditions and promote healthy respiratory health. Here are some commonly used herbs for lung health. Eucalyptus. This herb is known for its ability to open up airways and promote better breathing. Eucalyptus oil can be added to a humidifier or steam inhalation device to help relieve symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory conditions. Licorice root. Licorice root has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce irritation and inflammation in the respiratory tract. It is often used to treat coughs, sore throat, and bronchitis. Mullein. Mullein leaves are a natural expectorant, which means they can help clear the lungs of excess mucus. It is often used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties that can help reduce inflammation and relieve congestion in the lungs. It is often used to treat coughs, colds, and other respiratory conditions. Osha root. Osha root is known for its ability to help clear congestion in the lungs and promote better breathing. It is often used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Thyme. Thyme has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help fight infections in the respiratory tract. It is often used to treat coughs, colds, and bronchitis. While herbal remedies can be effective in promoting respiratory health, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before using them, especially if you have an underlying medical condition or are taking medications. Additionally, it is important to purchase herbs from a reputable source to ensure purity and quality. Although smoking is commonly associated with lung disease, other factors have been found to contribute to lung problems. One of the major culprits is air pollution, which can significantly reduce the quality of air we breathe. In addition, certain foods, whether cooked or raw, can contain harmful chemicals that contribute to lung problems as well. Breathing better. Herbal remedies have long been used to treat various lung diseases, including asthma, lung cancer, influenza, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Licorice is one such herb that has been found to have benefits in treating lung disease, particularly bronchitis and lung infections. It can also be used to alleviate milder conditions like inflamed throat and coughs. Another herb that can help treat lung disease is elecampane, which acts as an antiseptic and helps kill existing germs while preventing recurrence of infections in the lungs and throat. It has been used to treat irritable coughs, bronchitis, tuberculosis, silicosis, asthma, and emphysema. However, it should be noted that this herb can cause adverse effects like vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach spasms, and a doctor should be consulted before the right dosage. Asian ginseng, also known as Panax ginseng, is another herb that may be helpful in treating lung disease. It is commonly used to treat various conditions, boost overall health, and support the immune system. In some cases, a significant reduction in tumors has been observed. Ginseng can be taken as a dietary supplement, but it is always advisable to consult a doctor before use. For a broader range of herbs that can be used to address various types of lung conditions, the following information may be helpful. Dry lungs: wild cherry bark, raw Rehmannia root, glynia root, licorice root, slippery elm bark, and marshmallow root are all known to help moisten and nourish dry lungs. Weak lungs: astragalus root, cordyceps mushroom, cinzandra berries, alma fruit, ginseng root, and American ginseng root are all herbs that help strengthen weak lungs and improve respiratory function. Mild lung inflammation: boswellia gum, scoot root, and turmeric root are all herbs that help to reduce inflammation and provide relief for mild lung inflammation. Chapter 9. Essential Herbs to Have on Hand. Synopsis. It's always a good idea to have a few essential herbs on hand for various purposes. Here are 5 must-have herbs that can be useful in treating a variety of health issues. Chamomile. This herb is commonly used to promote relaxation and ease anxiety. It can also help with negative digestive issues and promote healthy sleep. Echinacea. Echinacea is a popular herb used to boost the immune system and reduce the duration of cold and flu symptoms. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Peppermint. Peppermint is a natural remedy for upset stomach and indigestion. It can also help with headaches and sinus congestion. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory herb that can help with nausea, motion sickness, and menstrual cramps. It can also help to relieve joint pain. Lavender. Lavender is known for its calming properties and is often used to promote relaxation and reduce stress. It can also help with insomnia, anxiety, and headaches. Having these herbs on hand can be helpful for minor health issues and provide a natural alternative to traditional medications. Nowadays, using herbs to treat minor medical issues has become quite popular. This eliminates the need to visit a healthcare provider every time there is a mishap, especially when dealing with children. What is needed? Ginger. Ginger reduces inflammation, relieves headaches, and even alleviate menstrual cramps. Ginger can be consumed as a tea, added to meals, or taken as a supplement. It is a versatile herb that is a must-have in any home remedy kit. Garlic. Garlic is not only delicious in cooking, but it also has numerous health benefits. It is known for its ability to fight off infections due to its strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic can also help to reduce high blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate pain and swelling. Chamomile. Chamomile is a herb that has been used for centuries for its calming and soothing properties. It is commonly used to help alleviate anxiety, promote better sleep, and reduce inflammation. It can also be used as a natural remedy for digestive issues such as bloating and cramping. Chamomile can be consumed as a tea or used topically as an ointment. Echinacea. Echinacea is a popular herb that is commonly used to boost the immune system and help fight off colds and flu. It is also known to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation and protect against cell damage. Echinacea is often taken as a supplement or consumed as a tea. Overall, these herbs are beneficial to have on hand for their numerous health benefits and versatility in treating various medical conditions. However, it is important to note that these herbs should not replace medical treatment for serious conditions, and it is always best to consult a healthcare professional before using any new herbal remedies. The use of herbs to treat minor medical conditions has become increasingly common, especially for parents with young children. Here are the top 5 herbs to keep on hand. Mint. This versatile herb has numerous uses, from refreshing teas to breath fresheners. It can also aid in digestion and has antifungal properties. Ginger. Although not easy to grow, ginger is readily available in supermarkets and is a popular ingredient in Chinese-style cooking. It can help calm indigestion and increase circulation. Lemon balm. This herb is often used to treat anxiety, insomnia, and colds. It also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it useful for minor scrapes and insect bites. Chamomile. A favorite for treating colic, gas, and anxiety, chamomile can also induce drowsiness and is a great relaxing tea. Thyme. A great herb for cooking, especially for chicken and fish dishes. It can also help with tummy cramps and gas buildups. Chapter 10. Important precautions to take when using herbs. Synopsis. Herbs have been used for centuries to treat various ailments, and their effectiveness is well documented. However, it is important to exercise caution when using herbs to avoid any adverse effects. Here are some precautions you should take when using herbs. Consult with a healthcare professional. Before using any herbal remedy, it is essential to talk to a healthcare professional. Some herbs may interact with prescription medications, which could result in serious health problems. Check for allergies. Even natural substances can trigger allergies in some people. Before using any herbal remedy, test a small amount on your skin to check for allergic reactions. If you experience any redness, swelling, itching, discontinue use immediately. Know the correct dosage. Overdosing on herbs can lead to serious health problems. Always follow the recommended dosage on the label or as instructed by a healthcare professional. Avoid certain herbs during pregnancy. Some herbs can cause harm to an unborn child, so it is essential to avoid them during pregnancy. Examples of herbs to avoid during pregnancy include aloe, ginseng, and licorice. Be cautious when giving herbs to children. Some herbs may be safe for adults, but not for children. Always check with a pediatrician before giving herbs to children. Use high-quality herbs. The quality of herbs can vary greatly depending on the supplier. Always purchase herbs from a reputable source to ensure their safety and effectiveness. In conclusion, herbs can be an effective and natural way to treat many ailments. However, it is important to take the necessary precautions to ensure their safety and effectiveness. Consult with a healthcare professional, check for allergies, know the correct dosage, avoid certain herbs during pregnancy, be cautious when giving herbs to children, and use high-quality herbs. While herbs are often considered harmless, it is important to have proper knowledge and supervision when using them, as they can have adverse and sometimes serious effects on an individual. It is crucial to understand what the herb can do and how it can affect the body before using it. Herbs can interact with medication, causing them to be less effective or even dangerous. It is important to consult with a healthcare provider before using any herbs, especially if you are taking medications or have any health conditions. Some herbs can also cause allergic reactions in individuals who are sensitive to them. It is important to start with a small dose and watch for any adverse reactions before using the herb regularly. Additionally, some herbs may not be safe for pregnant women, children, or individuals with certain health conditions. it is important to research and understand the potential risks and benefits of any herb before using it. In conclusion, while herbs can be a useful addition to a healthy lifestyle, it is important to use them with caution and proper knowledge. Consulting with a healthcare provider and doing research beforehand can help ensure safe and effective use of herbs. It is important to understand that although herbs are often perceived as harmless, they can have adverse and sometimes serious effects if taken without proper knowledge and supervision. Having a clear understanding of the herb's effects in general and specifically, as well as its appropriate dosage, is crucial. Furthermore, it is important to note that herbs should not be used as a replacement for ongoing medical treatments without the approval of the medical practitioner involved. It is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating herbs into a treatment plan. When taken together with conventional medication, some herbs can render the medication ineffective, which can be harmful to those who depend on the prescribed medication. Additionally, some herbs can change the composition of medication when taken together, resulting in adverse effects rather than adding value. Therefore, it is crucial to exercise caution when combining herbs with prescribed medication. It is crucial to seek medical advice before considering herbs as a treatment option, even if they are meant to be used as a supplementary element. Proper dosage is also an important factor to consider, as taking too much of an unfamiliar herb can lead to serious consequences, including death. People who are easily influenced should be cautious when purchasing herbs, as some vendors may not disclose negative findings. Furthermore, choosing to treat an illness or disease with herbs instead of seeking immediate medical advice can result in further damage or loss of precious time. Therefore, it is essential to keep in mind the potential risks and interactions with other medications, as well as consulting with a medical practitioner before using herbs. Ultimately, seeking medical advice is always the safest and most effective course of action when it comes to addressing health concerns.